Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss an update. Let's dive. Kanye West and Adidas are expanding their MX series with a brand new Adidas YEEZY Boost 350 Y2 Dark Salt MX Gray colorway for the holiday season. This offering of the Adidas YEEZY Boost 350 Y2 features the MX pattern across its upper in a mix of earthy and neutral shades. Other details includes a black lateral stripe atop a charcoal-like boost cushioning completes the design. Adidas YEEZY Boost 350 Phi2 MX Dark Salt is an expression of innovation, unique design, and unique style, created by the legendary Kanye West and the German brand. The shoes are characterized by a unique pattern on the upper, unique as an undiscovered galaxy, which takes you into the cosmic world of fashion. When you take them in your hand, you will feel their lightness, which makes walking smooth and natural. The breathable upper gives your feet space to breathe, keeping you fresh even in the most demanding conditions. Dark Salt not only delight with their appearance, but also with the simplicity of care. Cleaning them is child's play, thanks to which, with a little desire, they will always look like new. The revolutionary boost foam used in the sole is here to cushion you with every step. This is especially important when you wear shoes most of the day. The lack of a traditional tongue emphasizes their minimalism, while ensuring a precise fit thanks to the laces that allow for individual adjustment. If you are looking for shoes that will distinguish you from the crowd, provide comfort at every step, and introduce you to the cosmic world of innovation, the Adidas YEEZY Boost 350 Phi2 MX Dark Salt will be a good choice. Adidas YEEZY Boost 350 Phi2 Dark Salt release date. Look for the Adidas YEEZY Boost 350 Phi2 Dark Salt to release in December 2022 at select retailers and adidas.com/yeezy. The retail price tag is set at $230 USD. And don't forget to subscribe and like this video.